In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wealthfront High-Yield Savings account in 2025. Whether you're looking to earn more on your savings or just exploring better ways to manage your money, this simple tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Wealthfront's website. You can do this by typing in Wealthfront into your web browser, and you'll see their tagline, "Money works better here," prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on the link to access their homepage. Once you're at Wealthfront's main page, you'll need to indicate your interest in opening an account by selecting from the options available. Click the option that says "Choose an account to get started." This will lead you to a page where you can explore different types of accounts Wealthfront offers. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the High Yield Savings account, which boasts a competitive interest rate boost that's hard to ignore. Now you may notice a section mentioning a 0.65% boost applied to the savings account. This boost is designed to enhance the yield you get on your savings, making it even more appealing. So it's definitely a feature worth taking advantage of. Once you have a good grasp of the benefits, it's time to select how you'd like to manage your account. You'll see options like Just Me or Joint Account options. For our walkthrough, we're selecting Just Me. This means you're opening an individual account. Next up, it's time to provide your personal details to Wealthfront. This is a crucial step as it ensures your account is set up correctly and securely. You'll be required to enter information such as your name, date of birth, and other personal identification details. It's always a good idea to have your identification documents handy, as they might be needed to verify your information. As you fill out each section, make sure to double check your entries for accuracy. Inaccuracies can cause delays in account approval. So taking a few extra moments to confirm everything is correct can save time in the long run. When all your details are filled in, you'll reach the final steps of the setup process. This typically involves reviewing all the information you've entered and confirming that it's accurate. After you're sure everything is correct, simply click the Continue button to proceed. Congratulations! Once you hit Continue, you're on your way to finalizing your Wealthfront High Yield Savings account setup. You should soon receive a confirmation and you'll be ready to start saving and earning more. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and don't forget to check out other wealth management tools they offer that might be beneficial for you. Happy saving!